Welcome to Conceptual Learning Academy. Today we have most important MCQs on C++ language of computer science. Before starting today's video, I would like to request you to support us by like this video, do comment in below comment section and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe Conceptual Learning Academy channel for more such like informative videos. Let's start. Question number 1. C++ language was developed by option 1 Charles Babbage, option 2 Dennis Ritchie, option 3 Bjarne Stroustrup, option 4 none of the above. The correct answer is Bjarne Stroustrup. Question number 2. What is C++? Option 1 a programming language, option 2 a type of computer, option 3 a software development tool, option 4 a video game. The correct answer is a programming language. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a data type in C++? Option 1 integer, option 2 char, option 3 float, option 4 string. The correct answer is string. Question number 4. Which of the following is an example of a unary operator in C++? Plus sign, plus sign, equal sign, and AND operator. The correct answer is plus plus. It is a unary operator in C++. Question number 5. What is the purpose of the cin statement in C++? Option 1 to output text to the console, option 2 to read input from the console, option 3 to declare a variable, option 4 none of the above. The correct answer is to read input from the console. Question number 6. Which keyword is used to allocate memory dynamically in C++? Option 1 malloc, option 2 new, option 3 create, option 4 assign. The correct answer is new. Question number 7. Which operator is used to access the value at a pointer in C++? Option 1 asterisk, option 2 AND, option 3 hash, option 4 $sign. The correct answer in question number 7 is asterisk, which is option number 1. Next, question number 8. What is the output of the following code? Integer a equal 10, integer b equal 5, C out a plus plus minus plus plus b. Option number 1 4, option number 2 5, option number 3 6, option number 4 9. The correct answer is 4. Here if we interpret this code, the a value 10 and the b value is 5. After the increment operator, the b value will be 6, so 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Next question, question number 9. Which of the following is not a looping statement in C++? Option number 1 for, option number 2 while, option number 3 do while, option number 4 switch. The correct option is switch. Switch is not a looping statement in C++. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a storage class in C++? Option number 1 static, option number 2 extern, option number 3 register, option number 4 final. The correct option is final. Which of the following is not a storage class in C++? Final is not a storage class in C++. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Conceptual Learning Academy channel.